Hi everyone, so I thought I would just jump on here today and share another recipe that I put in my convection microwave oven. Today I'll be making homemade brownies. We have a friend who did something really kind for us and I heard that he likes brownies. So I thought I would make some for him and pass them on to him today. So I'll be happy to share this with you as we move along. Enjoy! Before I preheat my convection oven, I'm going to do something different here today because I'm going to put another rack in there. So I'm going to take out both of these because I do not want to rotate, and just set them on my stove here carefully. And then I'm going to use this rack that came with my convection oven. And normally, I think I'm just going to set it down here. Sometimes you can put it up on those little tabs there, but for me, I'm going to set it right here and have it cook in there. I've gotten several things out to make my brownies, and I'm going to start making those here shortly, and then I will put them in the convection oven. So I will get ready to preheat the convection oven. So we're going to preheat the convection oven to 350. I may have set it lower on my previous thing I just talked about, but you're going to hit convection, and then 350 is over here. I'm going to hit the 350. It's number 7 for me, and then I hit start. And so you, like I said before, you want to make sure that that second button there, the convection button, is what's on. Since you have metal in there, you definitely don't want it on the first button, which is the microwave button right there. So yeah, I've got that going, and as soon as it preheats, I'll put my brownie stuff in. The convection oven is ready to go. It's preheated, and I'm going to put the brownies in here, just like so. And then I'm going to set the timer for 30 minutes. So you hit timer, and then I like to check it like at 25 minutes, so I usually hit 5 minutes earlier. And then you hit start, and off the brownies go. We'll see how they come out. So there's the finished product. I'll cut them here shortly and show you how they turned out. And it did take almost the whole 30 minutes. I just checked them at 25 minutes, but it did take most of the 30 minutes. Here's the finished product, my chocolate brownies made from scratch. Oh, and they're so good. Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed that video on making brownies in my convection microwave oven. It is easy peasy, really it is. Now, I did want to say that I showed you how I put the bottom rack on to cook them low. I've actually done it on both rack, like the low rack, and I moved it to the middle there. For the pan I have, it's a 9x13, so you can cook stuff in there that's 9x13. But sometimes I'll move it up a little bit higher. I've just kind of been experimenting to see what I like best. This seemed to work out really well. They actually cooked for the full 30 minutes this time. So it's not hard at all to use this. So I hope you have been able to find this helpful. If you have any questions, just shoot me a message and I'll be happy to help you. And you know, we appreciate you following us, and we hope you'll continue to do so. And I see Tom back there, he was enjoying some of those brownies, right?
Very, very good.
Somebody's got to be the taste tester, right? Yeah. Okay, well, we hope you're doing well, and we will see you around the campfire. Bye.
Bye.